So here I've clicked the AI Activities button when I logged in. Now I've already paid the donation of $20 a month, and you can see the opening screen here, have some fun, play a learning game, and introducing Kanamigo. Try the activities. Okay, so it's giving you some caveats here about sometimes it makes mistakes, and so you have to read this and click you understand in order to start learning. I've clicked understand, so now it's going to prompt you. Sometimes you'll see that little pale blue button. What should I learn today? So all I had to do was click on that. And so here the conversation starts. Let's focus on AI for education. So it knows that I've already started AI for education. And so it's suggesting two links. Welcome to the future of education and new tools for a new age. So if I click on that, it'll take me to the standard educational content here. You can see I've completed some of it, teaching with AI and so forth. So I'm not going to dwell on this, but just to show you that it does know about other courses you've taken, and it can continue to help you learn about that course, or you can do something else. Here I'm telling it that I finished that AI for education. It's mentioning that it can't actually see that I've completed the progress, but it's friendly. I'm glad to hear that you finished AI for education. Now let's explore other learning opportunities. You can choose an activity from the sidebar, or let me know if you have a specific topic. So you can see on the sideboard there's Tutor Me Math and Science, Tutor Me Humanities, Ignite Your Curiosity, and so forth. So I picked Tutor Me Math and Science. So you can paste something in or just ask a question. So I'm going to ask whether Kanamigo can help me understand drug absorption, something which I know a lot about, so I can check it. Of course, drug absorption is a process, blah, blah, blah. So it's giving you some information and ask you a question. Can you think of any other ways drugs might be administered? There are several routes, but inhalation, directly into the brain, intrathecal it's called, or rectal. It gives me some feedback, that's correct, and tells you a little bit more about rectal administration. So what factors can lead to changes in drug absorption? So it's quizzing me again, and I'll answer. I said the content of your last meal, and gives me some positive feedback. So it's asking me what other factors might influence drug absorption. And I say the amount of fat in your last meal. Gives me some positive reinforcement. Can you think of a reason why a patient's age or health might affect drug absorption? So I answer gastrointestinal motility might be an issue in elderly people. Motility, it should be not mobility. That's giving me some more information. And I decide to leave it there for now. So I think you can see how working with Kanamigo is a conversation, like you're having a conversation with a tutor, very smart tutor. It's going to ask a question, give you some information. In the future, I'll try some of the others. Practice, ignite your curiosity, brainstorming, an admissions essay. I don't think I'll bother. But you can see there's many different options for using Kanamigo. Almost any topic that you can imagine. So let's leave it there for now.